She is punctual in the class. हाँ जी, I am starting with the बेटे. So beneath nucleophilic addition and substitution के दोनों mechanism करने के बाद, and we will start with the questions regarding nucleophilic elimination, conversions. What type of questions are asked? Okay. So the particular type of the reaction which haloalkane, actually haloalkane goes is substitution reaction. Haloene goes but under drastic condition. So first question is why haloalkanes goes this reaction and haloarenes doesn't go. Then moving to the mechanism. See, what is nucleophilic substitution? A nucleophile will be coming and substitute halogen group. Means it will take the position of X. This is a substitution. So simple, this is a nucleophilic substitution. It is easier in haloalkane as compared to haloalkene, haloarenes, and this is the first question which is asked in exam. So if the halogen is attached to the benzene, to remove this X is not easier in the presence of the nucleophile. Why? First, because there is a resonance, these two electrons will move here, and there is first region you will write, because of resonance there is partial double bond character. And showing the resonating structure, you will show the resonating structure also. See, second reason you will write this carbon, this carbon is sp2 hybridized. If it is sp2 hybridized, then it has more S character as compared to this carbon which is sp3 hybridized. It has less S character. It has less S character. Which has more S character is nearer to nucleus. When it is nearer to nucleus, it is not as much keen to give its electron. And this X will not remove as X negative. Third reason is the polarity. Again, because of sp2, this carbon is sp2 hybridized, it will not give the electron to this halogen की polarity ज़्यादा हो जाए. So it has less polar characters because this has plus I inductive effect. The electron will move towards this X and this will become more polar as compared to this one. If polarity is less polarity, there is less chances of nucleophilic substitution. Because it is not keen to give electron, because nearer to nucleus it will not give the electron. If X will not remove X negative, how will the substitution occur? It should give the electrons easily. Less polarity, the same reason, because of this sp2 hybridized, the bond is less polar. If the bond is less polar, the electron will not move towards chlorine and it will not remove as Cl negative. And the fourth reason is, let me assume that if X is removed, phenyl ion will form. This phenyl ion is not stable. It is not stable. In this case, if an ion is formed, it is formed in a tertiary case and it is stable because it will take SN1 mechanism. And the tertiary carbocation will be more stable as compared to phenyl carbocation. Okay. So first we should know which is able to undergo nucleophilic substitution and which will not be undergo nucleophilic substitution. Now we are moving towards the mechanism. One is SN2 and one is SN1. The word 2 itself tells us the rate of the reaction, that is nucleophilic substitution, that is bimolecular, depend upon nucleophile and as well as the alkyl halide. Okay? In this, rate only and only depends upon alkyl halide, not the nucleophile. In this case, transition state is there, and in this case, there is a well-done inversion. Sorry, first write down, there is an intermediate formation, that is carbocation. In this, there can be racemization, or retention of conjugation. In this case, there is well-done inversion. This, the order of the activity is primary, secondary, and tertiary. And then there is the order of activities tertiary, secondary, and primary alkyl halide. Now let us see the mechanism. So in case of H and 2, X may be chlorine, bromine, iodine, anything. This is H, this is H, and this is H. I'm taking nucleophile as OH negative. Nucleophile as a OH negative, ठीक है? Hypothetical state when vaccine attack हुआ बॉन्ड बदला होगा, डिफरेंट वाला बॉन्ड में that is the transition state. जब transition state clear because there is a vaccine attack, so when F will be released, you will get the molecule having a configuration. And this configuration is invert of this configuration. In this particular configuration, F is in this condition. Now it is particular configuration towards negative in the opposite. It's an inversion of configuration. There is already inversion of configuration. Then why it is not clear the day as I think right is not clear. This is known as, now in the first step you can see, in the first step both, that is Rx and nucleophile is used or it is helpful in the reaction. So the rate of the reaction depends upon the both. Not only alkyl halide, it will depend upon the both. Now it is clear, now light has come. Okay? So in the particular reaction, alkyl halide and the reaction depend upon alkyl halide and nucleophile both. That is why it is a bimolecular. And tertiary alkyl halide can't go this type of reaction because the attack of nucleophile can't occur in case of tertiary, as there is very much steric. Okay? Depending secondary, if there small alkyl groups are there, it can occur. If the group are bigger, then it will go towards SN1. Okay? और it depend upon solvent. Solvent कैसा 40 K40 इसको तोड़ देता है जल्दी है. So that is a competition. Okay? So this is the mechanism of SN2 reaction. Let us see the mechanism of SN1. So the mechanism of SN1, you have tertiary alkyl halide. In SN1, the first step, when the aura of nucleophile will come, as the nucleophile can't attack from the backside because there is a steric in them, but because of its aura or environment, you can say. Now, but X, now it will be keen to be get removed. But this removal is very difficult. So this is slow step, which is known as RDS step, rate determining step. RDS step. This is a rate determining step. See, in this step, the X will get removed and forming carbocation. Forming carbocation. Okay? So this carbocation is a stable one because it is a tertiary carbocation. But the formation of the carbocation is not so easy from the stable species of cation will be formed because of the presence of a nucleophile. That is why it is a slow step. And as slow step consisting of only one, that is reactant only, the rate of reaction always and always depend upon the slow step. So now, it has plus charge over here, and now nucleophile can attack, and the configuration is hence retained. I have written there can be racemization or retention. No? So here it is retention because here we are not having any chiral carbon. If there is a chiral carbon and the probability, for example, if I am taking this kind of a molecule, I am changing here only, you can write again, like I have CH2, CH, and here I am having C3H7. ठीक है? Okay. So three different group are attached. Here are three different group are attached. P3H7. Now, so we can draw like this way also. Like plus charge it is having here CH3, C2H5, C3H7. Okay. Now nucleophile can attach from this side also and this side also. Means OH can come from this side also and this side also. Both the sides. If it can come from the both the sides, now two type of molecule can form C3H7. Or you can write because your C2H5 the first step. Here C2H5. Here I should write CH3 C2H5. Okay. So we did two products which are mirror images to each other. Yeah. तो you can draw like this. जैसे उधर बनाया हुआ है वो तो कुछ नहीं है वो तो 3 dimensional है. One is here, one is there. So they are equally planar. ठीक है. तो अगर हमें आपको स्टार्टिंग से समझाना हो तो हम हेयर तो हमें वो भी मिल रहा है जो स्टार्टिंग में आपने लिया था और उसका उल्टा प्रोडक्ट भी मिल रहा है. जिस स्ट्रक्चर को जैसे मर्जी कर लो. मेरा मर्जी 3D व्यू है. आई कैन सी वेयर आई वांट टू. 1C2H3, C2H5, C3H7. I can see from here, I can see from there. But these two are mirror images for each other. These are known as enantiomorph. They are non-superimposable. And they are formed equimolar. That is why we are saying that there is a rationalization. Okay. So let us see different nucleophilic substitution reaction, which we have seen earlier also. So you want to do the question form or you want to again revise it? Hurry up. चलो जी फिर क्वेश्चन फॉर्म नहीं करेंगे. The first type of question is me, particularly इस type of reactions में जो पूछे जाते हैं. ये compound will be given and they will be asking you ये SN2 जाएगा या SN1 जाएगा. So you have this compound. And we will draw the first type of question from this side. You have CH3Cl. You have CH3 CCl. Which will go SN2 fast? Hurry up. First one. Okay. Right one because it will form sulfuric. Now you are having this one. This one. Hurry up, hurry up. I is a better living group. With iodine, then bromine, you can write then chlorine, then fluorine. So iodine is a better living group. It can live easily. So CH3I will be undergoing this type of reaction fast. Now again, I जिसके साथ मर्जी लगाओ, चाहे SN1 में आ जाए, चाहे SN2 में आ जाए, तो I वाला फास्ट जाएगा इधर. ये याद रखना. अगर मैं ऐसा क्वेश्चन आपके लिए बना दूं, you have a chlorine, you have here iodine, you have there bromine, and likewise you have fluorine. So always and always remember, iodine is a better living group. It will go SN1 or SN2 fast. Next type, from this particular, I want to ask one more question. Which from the following you have this compound CH3, CH2, Cl. Okay. The next second one is C6H5, CH2, Cl. SN1 कौन जल्दी जाएगा, हरी आप। SN1 any answer, हरी आप बेटे। This is benzyl. This is benzyl. After removing of chlorine, it will form this product. After removing of chlorine, it will form this. So it is more resonance stabilized as compared to this. So it will go towards SN1 as compared to this. Okay. तो ये इसका कार्बोकेटाइन SN1 में क्या बनता है, कार्बोकेटाइन। तो मैं बताऊं कार्बोकेटाइन कौन सा स्टेबल है, ये स्टेबल है रेजोनेंस के कारण, ये स्टेबल है प्लस साइड के कारण। इसमें एक ही प्लस साइड ग्रुप है, यहाँ पे कितने सारे रेजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर बन जाएंगे, तो ये ज्यादा स्टेबल हो जाएगा, ये कम स्टेबल हो जाएगा। जो स्टेबल होगा वही फास्ट जाएगा। SN2 बैक साइड अटैक यहाँ पे इजिली है, यहाँ तो इतना बल्कियर ग्रुप लगा हुआ है। तो इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन यू कैन डू। ओके, तो ऐसे आएंगे। तो आपने ये देखना है जहां पे भीड़ ज्यादा है, जहां पे बहुत ज्यादा भीड़ है वहां पे सीधा पास है, सीधे सीधे करके जैसे मर्जी निकल रहा है। SN1 स्टेरिक हिंड्रेंस मोर, SN1 स्टेरिक 1। जहां पे भीड़ कम है वो सेकंड पार्ट में से निकल जाओगे, SN2। तो ये कैसे ऐसे क्वेश्चंस बनते हैं। फिर लेट अस सी फ्यू ऑफ द कन्वर्जन टाइप ऑफ। अच्छा ऐसा भी देखो, नहीं आपको दो बने आएंगे, एनी टू फ्रॉम द टू यू हैव टू चूज वन। So two you can choose easily. See, if you are having carbocation formation is stable one, that is SN1. If there is a backside attack, then it is SN2. It is easier one. So the next one, some of the important nucleophilic substitution reaction you have already done, and again I am repeating to you. जो हमें कन्वर्जन में हेल्प करेगी। एंड डू कम लर्निंग प्रिपरेशन टुमारो। 2 or 3 preparation are there, preparation for alcohol, then from alkene, alkane, ये पढ़ लेना, बारी बारी कर ली है, फिर हम उसके क्वेश्चंस करने शुरू करेंगे। मैं रिएक्शन में इम्पोर्टेंट आपको बता दूँ क्या करना, ठीक है। तो डाजन प्रोसेस कर लेना, प्रिपरेशन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो कन्वर्जन में ही हेल्प आती है। न्यूक्लियोफिलिक में जो इम्पोर्टेंट है हमारी डीलिंग करने के लिए, द फर्स्ट वन इज लाइक वी हैव डन, वी हैव दिस NaOH or KOH aqueous. You will get CH3OH, that is nucleophile will go towards here and HCl will be removed and NaCl. Remember there should be aqueous here. It is alcoholic and it will undergo elimination. Second type we have already done, that is RONA, that is Williamson synthesis. ईथर में प्रिपरेशन करी थी हमने, विलियमसन सिंथेसिस। मैंने आपको बताया था कि बेंजीन के साथ क्लोरीन नहीं लगी होनी चाहिए, इसके साथ बेंजीन लगी हो सकती है। ओके, बिकॉज बेंजीन के साथ Cl रिमूव नहीं होगा। Then third important, very important, actually it is a very important, with KCl. It's not important, it is very very important. It will form cyanide. या तो यहाँ ही कन्वर्जन आती है। आप बच्चे, some of the students are still not knowing the nomenclature. It is a chloromethane, ये methyl chloride is converting to ethane nitrile या मिथाइल साइनाइड। तो डिपेंडिंग आपको कौन सा नेम गिवन है, यू विल राइट दैट। ठीक है, अब क्यों ये एक्शन इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि यही अगर मैं AgCN के साथ करवा लूँ तो आई विल गेट आइसोसायानाइड। ठीक, why? Because CN is ambiguous nucleophile. Okay, so CN is ambiguous nucleophile. When present with the KCN, the bond is polar. It can attach from the Cl side, but when present in the AgN, the bond is covalent. It is not polar. It is more polar. It is covalent. So it can't attack from the carbon side. Now it can attack from the lone pair nitrogen side. Okay? So next, why it is important again? Because it will give 3 products further. So this cyanide can give 3 products if there is complete hydrolysis. Means if you are taking dilute acid, dilute HCl, means there is a complete hydrolysis. You can mention again, you will get an acid. You will get an acid. If there is incomplete hydrolysis, the presence of OH negative, water is a concentrated one. Generally, we take OH negative only, so we will get amide. It is a concentrated one, incomplete hydrolysis. And if we will reduce the presence of reducing agent, this is called Mendius. इसका name भी है Mendius reduction. We will go get amine. तो ये कन्वर्जन में तो बहुत आती है और कुछ ना कुछ मुझे कन्वर्जन ये वाली बहुत ज्यादा बन जाती है एग्जाम में, बहुत ज्यादा। क्यों? देखो, एक तो ये दिस इज असेंडिंग सीरीज रिएक्शन। ध्यान से देखो, it started with the 1 carbon, we are getting 2 carbon. We started with the chloromethane, but we are getting ethanoic acid, या ethanamide, या ethanamine, the 2 carbon compound. Okay, so the 1 carbon is increasing. So conversion can come like convert chloromethane into ethanoic acid, chloromethane या कुछ भी. If it is having chloropropane, you will get butanamide, 1 carbon more. तो आपने स्ट्राइक, अच्छा ये जो कन्वर्जन है ये 2 फॉर्म में पूछी जाती है। 1 फॉर्म क्लोरो से स्टार्ट कर लेना, ठीक। सेकंड फॉर्म, मान लो हमने एसिड अमाइड या अमीन, आपके दिमाग में ड्यूरिंग एग्जाम्स ये आना चाहिए कि एसिड अमाइड या अमीन बन रहा है क्लोरो से, तो KCN है पहली तो बात। ये रिएक्शन इस वे में भी आ सकती है, कन्वर्ट मीथेनॉल इनटू सर्टेन एसिड अमाइड और अमीन। क्यों? इसको हम डाल्टन प्रोसेस करेंगे in the presence of pyridine or any other reaction you can follow, तो आप अल्कोहल से अल्काइल हैलाइड बना सकते हो, अल्काइल हैलाइड से आप फर्दर बना सकते हो। तो कन्वर्जन, ये जो कन्वर्जन है अकेली इज नॉट आस्क्ड फ्रॉम कन्वर्ट एनी अल्काइल क्लोराइड इनटू अमाइड एसिड और अमीन, इट विल आस्क फ्रॉम अल्कोहल टू। तो दिमाग में स्ट्राइक कर लेना कि कार्बन बढ़ रहे हैं। देखो, कार्बन बढ़ते गिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट से, पर वो गिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट कहाँ अटैक करता है? एल्डिहाइड या कीटोन पे। रिमेंबर, एल्डिहाइड या कीटोन पे या कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड पे, वो एसिड बनाने होते हैं। और कार्बन वाली एक बढ़ने वाली ये रिएक्शन होगी। इस रिएक्शन में आपके पास अल्कोहल से एसिड बनाने के लिए आ सकता है, अल्कोहल से अमाइड बनाने के लिए आ सकता है, अल्कोहल से साइनाइड बनाने के लिए आ सकता है। ठीक है, डन। और इम्पोर्टेंट रिएक्शन, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट इम्पोर्टेंट रिएक्शन इज with the, if you have alkyl chloride and if you want to increase again the carbon, you can take this. If the carbon is increasing, we can take this one also. This is again nucleophile. How this nucleophile is obtained? We have acetylene treating with a strong base in presence of liquid ammonia. So we will get this. ठीक है, क्योंकि यहाँ से H रिमूव का हो जाएगा, बेस H ले जाएगा, तो आपके पास सॉल्ट बन जाता है। दिस काइंड ऑफ अ सॉल्ट। ये जो इसमें ये वाला जो पोर्शन है, इट एक्ट एज अ न्यूक्लियोफाइल, ये यहाँ पे अटैक करता है। ठीक है, ओके। तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास 3 कार्बन बन जाती है। बेटे न्यूक्लियोफाइल यहाँ पे नेगेटिव चार्ज है, यहाँ पे। अब आप बोलोगे NaOH कैसे न्यूक्लियोफाइल बन गया, पूरा थोड़ी ना बन गया। OH नेगेटिव ही आता है डिसोसिएट होके, तो इसको भी डिसोसिएट होके फिर ये नेगेटिव पोर्शन दे देता है। ठीक है, एक और एक्शन होती है, देन बस दिस so I can't find any important one in this. Gradually, like this you should know. कन्वर्जन में आ जाए तो जैसे कि AgNO2 है और KNO2 है। ठीक है, एक्चुअली द लिंकेज होती है ऐसे KNKON डबल बॉन्ड हो गई, इसको ओपन स्ट्रक्चर दिखेगा। वैसे अगर AgNO2 को ओपन स्ट्रक्चर दिखे तो ये, ठीक है। अब ये भी बॉन्ड आयनिक है, तो ये इस ऑक्सीजन से अटैच कर सकते। तो इस केस में जो आपका प्रोडक्ट बनता है वो ये चीज बनेगी। और इस केस में आपकी नाइट्रो कंपाउंड है, ये नाइट्रोजन से अटैच करेगा, यू विल गेट ए नाइट्रो कंपाउंड। ओके, CH3 इस वाले में नो, ये बेटे नाइट्राइल है, ये नाइट्रेट है, ये दोनों डिफरेंट फंक्शनल ग्रुप है।